Are you thinking about buying or selling a house? If so, you should know that the market has been through some major shifts lately, and it can be hard to keep up when the information in the media isn't clear. As the quote says, in the absence of trustworthy, up-to-date information, real estate decisions are increasingly being driven by fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But it doesn't have to be that way. That's where I come in. Think of me as your personal guide. I know what's been going on in our local housing market, and I can help you separate fact from fiction by giving you the answers you need to make the best decision possible. Buying or selling a house is an exciting milestone in your life. And with all the conflicting information out there, it is easy to feel overwhelmed or uncertain. That's why I'm here, to guide you and give you clarity. If you'd like to work with me as your expert guide, sounding board, and support system as you navigate the housing market, let's connect. I'm Jill Eastman, your San Diego Realtor.